Hey there, Denny here from the Magic Kingdom. If you want a little look or a big look at a gray painted Cinderella Castle, here we go. Just look at that castle. How beautiful is that? The gray paintwork appears to be fully finished, and I tell you what, I have stood here just gawking at it for minutes on end. I think I'll continue to. But my gosh, the turrets, bright blue, the gray, everything that was pink is now back to gray. It's fantastic. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. The moat is still drained at this point, but my gosh, look at that thing. Just the most lovely. Friends, it is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, we still have a moat that's drained, but it doesn't even matter. Look at that gorgeous gray. Oh. Let me know down in the comments, do you like the gray better or the pink better? Me? 100% gray. I'm so glad it's back. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today's video was short, but I really wanted just to show you a little bit of the castle in case you need a little magic today. Here it is, friends. You are magic too. Take good care. Thanks for tuning in from the Magic Kingdom and a gray Cinderella Castle. Have a great one, friends. Take care.